Because when I was, oh, they both crooked, y'all. They both crooked. Ah! They both crooked. Hey, my gators. In this video, you won't see me, but you will see what I'm doing. I am going to be showing you guys how to hide these cords on both sides. I moved some of my stuff, like my candle warmer and my little sculpty thing I had up here. I moved it because I needed to have straight access to it. So we're going to be hiding these cords. I did do a haul and I showed you these. These here are the cord hiders. And guys, these were the cheapest I seen on Amazon, which I was kind of surprised because I think you get three or four, I think four in here, and they were $5 and some change. So I tried to do this video before I even did part 2 of the dresser thing, because I wanted to get this out in case they try to change the price, because it seems like the prices go up when you share stuff, and it's supposed to be simple. So let me get my tripod so we can get these up and I can show you how to hide our cords. Let's do that. All right, so these are meant to hide multiple cords, it says, and the big cord. So we are going to try to find out how to open them. Let's see, I think here. I have been stuffy. I got Vicks all on my nose. That's why y'all not gonna pee off. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah, that's 4. So see, 4 of them. And the thing I like about these is the ones I used to see back in the day, they didn't have it where it was like a door. And these look like they have like a door or something that you open. Hold on. They don't give it. Okay, yeah. See? It's like, kind of tight. Oh, they open on both sides. So it's like this. So we're gonna be going here. So it's like this, right? And it has a sticky back. So I guess you figure out where you want it back there, and then put the cord, stick it, put the cords in it, and then crunch this on. So let's see if that's what works for us, okay? Let's see if that's what works for us. So we want to put ours, ooh. This thing is heavy, y'all. It got so much glassware from that I gotta take to the, let's see if all these will fit before I do all that. Yup. It look like, ooh, I hope I'm not in the, am I in y'all? Wait, hold on. Okay. They look like they will fit pretty good. And it looked like the best, okay. The best place would be like right where they naturally fall. So I'm thinking like right here. So we are going to make sure it's up above the TV. So it's up where you can't see it. So they'll go all the way in above the TV and down below. And let's see how that works. So we're going to make sure we go up above the TV where you can't. I don't know if it's straight or crooked. I hope it's straight. Okay. Press it in. Then take these and press them in, I guess. Wait a second. Is this 2 cords or is this looped around? No, this 2 cords. It seemed like they was together. You just press them in. What's going on with this little cord? It's just like doing what it want to do. Okay, press that in. Press that in for $5. Because I was trying to find a way to do it myself, and I looked. I said, let me see. Sometimes DIYs are not cheaper. All the stuff I would have had to get to try to do what I was thinking about doing, it would have been so much more. So I guess you take and put this, snap it on, We're about to find out, y'all. Or does it slide on? I don't know. Hold on. They don't really give instructions. People just said they like them and it make things look neat. But okay, I hear it snapping. Boom. Okay. Okay, that looks better. I like that better. You could put this back, and that'll also kind of take away from. Oh no, we want that right there. We're gonna do the other side as well. This candle smells so good. Yeah, that looks better than seeing the black cords. Okay, let's go to the other side, ladies and gents. I don't know, I might even put this up before I put up the dresser video because I don't want these to go up. So this might be, today is Sunday, I was going to put the dresser video up, but I think I might be putting these up because I feel like this is so much more important than the dresser video. So this one is just one cord. Oh, it does slide, y'all. Oh, so maybe I can. No, that ain't gonna work. I still gotta get that in there. So we're gonna put this here, like so. Could y'all see? Oh, where did I put it? Oh, the cord fell right. The cord fell right into it. Okay, cool. Press, press, press. Make sure you press from top to bottom. Oh, dang it, y'all! I didn't put this high up enough. Dang it. Dang it, dang it. See, I'm looking down instead of, oh, I didn't put this one high up enough. But you know what? And it's crooked. You know what? Who cares? I'm gonna slide this part up high so you can't see it. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep. So if you do that, just slide the top, because the bottom you can't see. Slide the top part up. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. See? I slid the top part up so you can't see the cord. So now my cords are hidden. Look it. Yes. Yeah. No more cords. Let me move my stuff. Put everything back and see how it looks. Oh, let me push this back over. Yeah, that makes a big difference. Because when I was, oh, they both crooked, y'all. They both crooked. They both crooked. Y'all probably can't tell. Hold on, let me show y'all. That thing is absolutely crooked. It's like going like this. Could y'all tell? It's crooked. I don't know why I thought. And look, this one is too. They both just. Actually, this one look a little straighter than that one. But yeah, they're both crooked. I'm about to move these because when I water them, they drip down. And yeah, I'm about to clean this. So I'm glad I did that because I can see that. Get some Fabuloso and wipe this down real good. But yeah, the cords are hidden, and I was gonna take a butter knife and pry that off. I said no, it's fine. It's fine, girl. It's fine. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, talk to me in the comments. I do talk back, and I will actually, yeah, I'm gonna post this Sunday, and I'm gonna put the link so you guys can get these because they was only $5.40 on Amazon. I don't do Shein, and I definitely don't do Temu. So yeah, talk to you guys later, Gators.